Cork with Tune a Day here on the Hudson River in Manhattan. I'm joined today by Riley Vay, who got in touch. Thanks a million for the message. Coming out to play Tune.
Totally.
What are we playing? I forgot again.
We're playing Walsh's Hornpipe.
Walsh's Hornpipe. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, I want 2, 3, and...
Some great dancing there.
Lovely dancing. See you tomorrow for day 54. You. Oh no, we're okay.